absolutely brilliant. Navigate to the Trafford Centre, Manchester.
Getting directions to the Trafford Centre.
You will see there a box come up, which if I'd have touched it would have said, it would have taken me straight there, it would go. But if you just don't say anything, you'd leave it, it will take you there anyway, and it's now navigate. There you go, start on Blackburn Road. So you want a petrol station, navigate to the nearest petrol station.
The closest one I found is Texaco on Horton Lane. Is that the one you want?
Yes. And you'll see there, it's adding the stop. So I originally navigated, or asked it to navigate to the Trafford Centre. I want the fuel station first, add a stop. Yeah, we'll add a stop. So that's taking me for fuel first. Navigate to Starbucks.
One possibility is Starbucks on Capitol Way. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
So the sat-nav is so easy to use. It's just such a good system. I'm just trying to think what else. So if we go over here, we'll just go along. So we've got the sat-nav there. Audible. Got all my audio books on. Just pick one to listen to. Zoom calls. It's just a great system. That's how you use the Apple CarPlay. Just tell it what you want to do, and it'll do it for you without taking your hands off the steering wheel. Just press that button there for 2 seconds, and the Siri. Play music. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.